I finally got Powerchains. I finally got Powerchains. Woohoo! Guys, hold on for what? For what? For TV. What you want me to do? Just ready. Let me just see it. Daniel, the way you over there do? It's Mother's Day and we're out at the restaurant. Mother's Day outing. This is their choice of restaurant, not mine. If it's up to me, I wouldn't be here because I'm not a fan, but here we are, waiting for the food. So that's Daniel's food. What that's again, fried shrimp? Oh, fried shrimp. Oh, yours actually look good with the fully loaded potato. Oh, you get fried shrimp as well? Yeah. I actually want to taste one of your shrimp. You can. Yeah. I'm not eating because I hate eating. I like me just not like eat a restaurant unless it's out the country. Sorry.
Adair.
Oh, Daniel.
Oh, Daniel. Daniel. Oh, Daniel. Happy birthday to Daniel. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hello. Welcome back to another day in the life of Krissy. It's 2 days later after Mother's Day. I'm trying to remember all that I said in the last clip. I hope all the mothers out there enjoyed their Mother's Day. Oh my gosh, look at the box of gloves just sitting in my video. Ignore it, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed your Mother's Day. So it's 2 days later and I just pulled up at my ortho appointment. I don't know if you guys remember, for the ones who watched my previous vlog 6 weeks ago, I mentioned Powerchains. I was supposed to get Powerchains. Now it's 6 weeks later. I'm not gonna lie, this 6 weeks came by really fast. I didn't get the Powerchains last time. I was supposed to, I didn't. Let me not say too much this time. We're just gonna go inside. It's now 10:16. My appointment is at 10:30. Let's see if today is the day I get Powerchains. I already explained everything in the last vlog, my journey about the Powerchains, why I'm excited for it, because a lot of people might be wondering, why is she excited for Powerchains? Listen, it just means I'm another step closer to perfect teeth and it looks better. I'm gonna leave the link here from my last vlog where I explained everything and I took you guys inside with me and all that fun stuff the orthodontist told me last time. This time we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's see. Also, for the first time, guys, wait, it's been 8 months with braces. Guys, I've been in the gym. I've been in the gym 3 weeks straight, non-stop, no days off. The workout gym vlogs will be coming soon as well. I just, want to get that momentum, that, that feel, because it's 2 years since I haven't been to the gym and I just started back 3 weeks ago. And I've been going non-stop. I need, that's gonna be another vlog, but my arms hurt. I was in the gym 1 a.m. this morning. Yes. Anyways, that's another story. So for the first time since I've had braces for 8 months now, I broke a bracket. I don't know how, I don't know when. I felt the poking and I'm like, what's poking me? I thought I already passed that stage. Looked in my mouth that day, one of the bracket is missing. It's gone, and it's the last one in, at the top in the back. So they did tell me that I could come in to, to do this appointment and get everything done and fix the bracket, but I just push through because it was so last minute, and you know, I was at work and they only had one time available, and you know, so I was like, you know what, I'll just stick it out until Tuesday. So we're gonna get that done. I think they're gonna add more brackets as well to the back. And what color should I get? Let's see, stay tuned for that. So enough yapping and talking, let's go inside. Yeah, thank you.
You shake down.
That's that color right there. It's gonna look like that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's exactly like that.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I'll take that one. I don't think I'll ever get those colors back again.
What?
The colors that you just took off. I think it was the light blue.
The baby blue?
Oh my gosh, no.
You know, it's funny because, I mean, you always brush good, but you can brush 100 times a day and they still come close.
Yes. I ate curry, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh.
That's what it is, yeah. Curry, coffee.
Yes.
Spaghetti sauce, tea, those are the main things that things.
Yeah.
I know.
It was so funny. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but I mean, they do look pretty clean compared to what I've seen them come in and it's so dark.
Thank you.
But yeah, I mean, it's a good thing you always brush good. So.
Right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you do a good job.
Thank you.
We like to see that.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, let me call her.
Okay, no problem.
She'll be right over.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
Back. How are you?
Good, thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was busy. Yeah, I took my mom out for Mother's Day because I'm not a mama's yet.
Neither am I.
Oh.
Because you're recently engaged.
Right, yes.
How's the wedding planning? Yeah, I'm just waiting till the details get
Right, and trust me, you'll get the details. Don't worry.
I can't wait.
I
love
will
it.
do.
One of my best friends is getting married in June. It's the second weekend in June. And she was like, I feel bad. I should have been there more for you. And I was like, no, you're good. I had a lot of help. My mom was so excited.
Yeah,
of
course.
Happy, yeah.
It's just a beautiful moment, so of course.
But we did the same. My mom got treated very nicely
Yes,
this weekend.
that's good.
It was great.
That's good. It's always the best part.
I know, she
They deserve it. Exactly.
Absolutely. That woman, I love her.
Yeah.
All right, so let me see your smile.
Okay.
Oh, you look great. Something big for me.
Upper right.
Okay.
So I have the handpiece ready, and then to confirm, because it said we're gonna bond the upper left.
I know that whoever wrote the note, we were a little bit
Yeah.
vague on it, but I know what we're trying to do. So it's going to be, we're bonding some extras. Let's get this 5 back on. We'll bond the upper right 7, but with a 6 bracket. And then we also need a button on the palatal of the upper right 6. And then what we are going to be doing is here, closed coil on the upper right 6.
Okay.
And then on the bottom, we're actually going to be pulling with not only power chain, but also class 2 elastics. On this left side, open big for me, and then bite down again. Let's actually get buttons on the lower left 4 and 5 lingual. We're going to be using some in and out rubber bands, and then open big for me. And then bite down one more time. Sorry, I'm gonna push back here and then pull a lot.
Okay, no problem.
We're gonna have to do also a cross elastic. So I am throwing a whole bunch at you.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry, it's
I
gonna
don't know. I'm excited
good.
because it's like one step closer to, you know.
So we're gonna have buttons on the inside too.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have you wear rubber bands from the inside to the outside.
Okay.
It's all on you with these rubber bands. So
Yes.
we're gonna teach you how to do it.
Yes,
but
I want to
Kelly's gonna
see.
set you up, get the brackets
Okay.
on, and then I promise it'll all make sense.
Okay. Trust
So
me,
left side
I'll
is gonna
be
have
on
2.
top of it. Trust me.
Love
Yeah, trust me.
Love it. All right, so I'm just gonna take off the glue on the one that had a bracket.
Right.
It has been wonderful.
Check, I curl the ends of the wires. Check, make sure it's comfortable. You may feel the end of it, but as long as it's not sharp or anything, then you're good.
Yeah. I'm fine.
You sure? You're a trooper. You're right.
Now you can take the glasses off if you'd like.
Oh,
See everything. I'm gonna get the rubber bands and you're gonna see everything.
Okay.
You can hold that.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Yes, I love this blue.
Yeah, it is pretty.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna show you the rubber bands.
Oh yes,
There's gonna be a bunch going on. When I place them in, I'm gonna see if she wants, because we just bonded all those. I want to see, usually we say start in 3 days. Sometimes we'll say start later that night. So let me see.
So it's like every night.
It's gonna be
Every day, like how often?
most likely full time.
Right.
There may be certain ones that she only wants you to wear them at night.
Oh.
But I think it's full time for all of it. So
Okay. All right. No problem.
So let's start on the right side.
Okay.
And you can take a picture, or you can, just when you get home, whatever you want to do to remember.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my I'm recording. Okay, all done. Oh my gosh, I get so many compliments when I go to the ortho, and they're so nice. I didn't catch this part on camera, but when she said, "Oh, you're like the best patient ever. You just go with the flow. You're so calm." Like, I'm just like ready and excited for everything, because like I said, it always means that, progress is making and stuff like that. But as you guys can see in the clips, well, I didn't get Powerchains. Still didn't get Powerchains, but like I said, they know best. They know when I'm ready, and I'm not gonna rush it. I'm just gonna have patience. Whenever they're ready to, do so, then. This blue looks good though. I do like this blue. I can hear the rubber band. That's so funny. I'm on a rubber band journey now. So I'm just gonna always have the rubber band. I'm gonna be on top of everything, just because I want, progress to be made and everything to be aligned, so I could get my Powerchains. A lot of people I've spoke to about Powerchains, they said they get theirs like last part of their journey. Some people get theirs like 6 months in, because some people don't have like bad overbites or bad, so they get it quicker. But some people who need a lot of time to get their teeth in line first, then the Powerchains. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a little because they did a lot that I didn't even record. It's 12 and I have to get to work. I'm gonna do some overtime today though. A lot was done. I really appreciate them. They're so amazing. Yeah, I just love the progress. What's up, my beautiful people? I am back. So I have a few boxes to open from my PO box, and companies sending me packages and gifts and stuff like that. So I'm here to do a little unboxing of a few items that I received. If you hear a little noise in the background, that's the washer and dryer as usual. So the first item I'm about to open . Okay, so these are jewelries. This company by the name of Lomantise, they are a jewelry company on Amazon, and they have some really good quality. When I say good quality, I mean good quality. No cheap quality jewelry to change your skin color or none of that, because I read the reviews and I'm excited to unbox. No, I'm gonna turn off the dryer. Hold on, because this is too loud. I'm so far away from the dryer, and I'm still hearing it loud and clear in the background. I had to turn it off. Anyways, guys, they sent me some gifts. Thank you so much for this collab. I'm excited to try this jewelry, because I know they're top tier expensive jewelry. Man, I ask if you guys go. I'm gonna leave the link for the Amazon shop for Lomantise, so you guys can see for yourself, read the reviews for yourself, and see that this is not no cheap business. It's not no jewelry that's gonna change on you and all of that. I love the reviews that I've seen. I just want to see how they look in person for myself. The quality seems very top tier and I want to see. I'm excited. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna have to get in brighter light for this because baby, hold on. Oh wow. How do I get this out of here? I don't want to mash up nothing, you know. Oh my gosh. It has my initial letter K. It's so beautiful. Like, it's, look at how it's glistening. Like, if you should see this in person, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wish you guys could really see what I'm seeing. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh my gosh. Red ruby. My birthstone is this exact color. So with the flash, it's not really doing much, but let me try to zoom in so you can see exactly what the necklace is saying. It says, I love you for always and forever. It's so pretty. Like, in the light, it's so pretty, but the glare is not showing on the camera. I appreciate this. And then the bracelet, which has my birthstone, the ruby red. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Excuse the hot mess. I'm getting my hair done this week. I'm getting my brows done this week. And I'm getting my nails done this week. But I'm just here to show you the necklace. How cute it is. You guys will be seeing me wearing this jewelry in my next vlog. It is so cute. Look at it. And also the braces. And also the bracelet. It is so cute. But shout out to you. Shout out to you guys for sending me these jewelries. They're so cute. The quality is everything. I'm gonna leave all their information down in the description box. Thank you for choosing me to showcase your beautiful pieces. So let's go on to the next package. Next we have, ooh, okay, what is this? Once I'm opening the boxes until I open them. Oh, okay. Turn this around. The item has been repackaged in recyclable, frustration-free packaging because the original box was damaged in transit. Oh. Okay then, so this is some sandals from the company called Athlete Fit. So this company, what they do is they have like very comfortable shoes for, you know, certain people with, you know, like problems with their feet, but they do it in style. It's made to carve your feet, like, you know, it's just made for your feet to be comfortable to walk in all day every day. Originally I wanted white because as you can see the bottom is white. So originally I wanted the whole thing to be white, but it was out of stock, so instead I got this color. It is so cute. I ain't gonna lie, I actually like it. As you can see, still has a tag on it. It's very lightweight and you could tell it's really good material. I like the way it's made. It's modern, and the inside reminds me of, you know, those slippers that we used to wear in Jamaica. Oh my gosh, it's been so long ago. I've been trying to find them, but I like. Alrighty, so we are on the next unboxing. I already did a collab with this company called Yanibest. It's like 2 or 3 videos like previous videos before this one. And they sent me some more items that I'm excited to see. It's a company that helps you to protect your hair, your natural hair. They have the highest quality silk, satin, bonnets, shower caps, pillowcases, scrunchies. They have a lot of high quality items on their website. So as you can see, they sent me 2 boxes this time. All right, let's see. All right, so this right here. Oh, last time I didn't get the shower cap. They sent it to me this time. So I didn't get the shower cap in the video, which was like all pink. I had like the pink pillowcases, pink bonnet, pink pillow scrunchies, and the pink scalp massager. I'm gonna tag that video in the card so you can go check it out. It's a very detailed video about this company. So this time they sent me the shower cap. I'm gonna open it. They also sent me satin pillowcase, but this time it's a different color. Last time I got pink. I know this time it's a different color. Woohoo! Let's see what's in this box. Oh, and this is another bonnet. Woohoo! I'm excited. Listen, I'm always excited for new bonnets and pillowcases. And the reason why I am more excited is because these bonnets, shower caps, and pillowcases are coming from Yanibest. Like, when I say their quality is top tier, high quality items, I'm not just saying. Like, I literally use the previous ones that I got. I use them every day because I change my pillowcases very often, you know, trying to take care of my face, my skincare, also the bonnet. So I'm happy to get more because I use these very often, and not even because I use them often, it's because the quality is everything. Like, when I say these things get washed every single week, every week, and the quality doesn't change. The quality, it's so soft on your face, on your skin. So guys, I'm actually happy to get more, but when they reached out to me to do another collab, I chose different colors from what I already had. I chose blue. It was like a aqua, you know, blue, green blue look, but I realized everything is still pink. The shower cap is supposed to be pink. That one is supposed to be pink, but the other 2 items was supposed to be that aqua color. But I'm still grateful for the items, but I just wanted different colors, you know. I didn't want to show the same thing for it to look like it's the same ones that I got before, you know. So as you can see right here, this is the shower cap. This shower cap is cute. I love it. I love the pattern that's going on. The quality is everything. Okay, so this is another bonnet, but instead of the short one, I got the one for my braids. Like, when I get braids, like, I'll be getting braids soon, and this is needed, so they sent this one right in time. See, this is it. Like I said, the quality is amazing, and it's long enough for the braids that I'll be getting. I love this for me. And a lot of the times I don't like bonnets with the elastic around it because it can be too tight, but this one, you can adjust it. I'm so excited. You can adjust the elastic around your head. I love that. But bro, I take back everything. Guys, remember the last video I said the pillowcases was too small for my king size pillow? Guess what? They sent me a king size. They sent me the king size in the same color. Yanibest, you're all the best. Yes, thank you guys. I appreciate it. This is from Sephora. So you already know. No, Sephora did not send me anything for free. This is just a little gift from myself to myself. And I'm just gonna share with you guys. Ta-da! I got a sample a couple months ago from Sephora. This sample, their new Gucci Flora. And let me tell you, the way I was obsessed with that smell, I had to get one. So this is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Magnolia. Smells amazing. I also got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. What color is this? Cherry, yes. So this is it. Everything else in the box is free gifts. So these are, you know, like samples. I got me some. This is shampoo and, are they both shampoo? Oh no, one is shampoo, one is conditioner. I was about to say. Ooh, I got some samples. Please don't make me like it, because if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. Why I feel like this is a man cologne. If it is, Ian can get it. Eyes to Kill Classico. I got me some YSL sample as well. I've been using this for years, like way back then. Like way back, I was obsessed with this one. This is the old version. I was obsessed, man. It smells so good. What else do we have here? Versace Dial Purple. Oh, this is the roller ball. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. He's all right. More tight, but yeah. Okay. Hey guys, it's 6 weeks later. Tell me why when I decide not to vlog, that's when I got Powerchains. I finally got Powerchains. Woohoo! But guys, I only got it on the bottom row. So I'm just leaving the ortho. So as you can see, it's only on the bottom. Can you see the difference what I'm talking about with Powerchains? It just makes it look more neat. And you see the top is just not giving. You see what I'm saying? You see the difference? Yeah. I can't wait to get at the top too. So I'm talking weird because they put the rubber bands. I'm doing this whole rubber band thing. Also, my ortho just broke the news to me that she's moving. And this will be my last appointment with her. And she explained to me about the new doctor. And she's amazing. Like, I'm gonna miss her. Because she's so good with this. Like I've explained in all my vlogs how she, you know, how we talk, how she makes her patients feel comfortable, and I'm gonna miss that. I'm gonna miss her, but I wish her all the best. It's, you know, for better. It's a better opportunity for her and stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got Powerchains, but only at the bottom. I love it, and it's pink, my favorite color. Anyways, I can't wait to get to at the top, because you could just see the difference. Neat, not neat. Soon. Anyways, I just have to keep up with my rubber band so I can get everything aligned and then get the Powerchains at the top as well. Anyways, guys, that's it. It's 11:31. I need to get to work. Know my routine. Anyways, KK Squad, take care, guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye.